Hey travelers, if you're hopping borders, chasing sunsets, or working remotely across the globe, there's one card you need in your wallet, the Charles Schwab Debit Card. Today I'm breaking down the 5 reasons why this card is the absolute best for international travel. Let's get into it. Reason number 1. This card has no ATM fees anywhere. Not only does Schwab just waive their own ATM fees, but they actually refund any fees that other banks charge when you withdraw cash worldwide. That means whether you're grabbing euros in Paris or yen in Tokyo, you won't pay a cent extra. Number 2. This card has no foreign transaction fees. While most banks charge you 1% to 3% just for using your card abroad, Schwab doesn't take a dime. So, whenever you are spending at a restaurant or a store abroad, you'll get to have more of your money in your purchase rather than giving it to your bank. For reason 3, this card is built for peace of mind. If it's lost, stolen, or compromised, you've got 24/7 fraud monitoring, instant card lock through the app, and fast emergency support. It's everything you want when you're far from home and need things handled quickly. Reason 4. Let's talk about the customer service. Schwab has 24/7 live phone support, and you almost always get a real human on the line in under a minute. They're friendly, knowledgeable, and they don't bounce you around. And personally, I've called them, 3 or 4 times in the past year, and every time I talk to them, they are very patient and are always willing to answer my questions, no matter what they are. Another awesome thing about Schwab's customer service is that they can express ship you a replacement card internationally, often within just a few days. And this especially comes in handy because, in my personal experience, someone I was with once on a study abroad trip lost their debit card on the first day of our trip at an ATM. And they called their bank's customer service, and they were able to get a card shipped to them, but they weren't able to get it shipped to them abroad. So they had to go all that time without a debit card. And so with the Charles Schwab debit card and their customer service, you won't have to go through that, as they can ship anywhere you are, and they can get it to you in a timely fashion. Reason 5, this card is totally free to use and free to get. There are no monthly fees, no minimum balance, and you get the card just by opening a Schwab High Yield Investor checking account. It links to a brokerage account, but you don't need to invest to use the card. It's pretty hard to beat this deal. I know a lot of credit cards offer a lot of these perks when it comes to using them internationally, but if you're not wanting to get a credit card, or you need a debit card to withdraw cash, I would say this is the best one. So if you're planning a trip, living the digital nomad life, or just want a better travel-friendly bank, the Charles Schwab debit card is a total win. If you use it already, drop a comment below and share your experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next travel tip video.